Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix audio glitch in Valorant, whether your speaker or even on your mic. So before we do begin with this video, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, make sure to comment down in the comment section down below and I'll happily answer them for you. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. So the first thing that you need to check is whether your audio is on the correct path. To do that, on your Valorant right over here, click on your settings, go to audio, voice chat, and make sure the output device and input device is the same one in your Windows. To go ahead and check that, go ahead and click on your Windows key on your keyboard, right click on the sounds right over here, and then click on sounds. As you can see, this is the current microphone I'm using. It's K18 and it is currently the default device on my Windows. On the playback as well, make sure that the default device is your headset or earphones, whether the ones that you are using, so it will connect directly with the Valorant game itself. So as you can see, the headset is currently on default device, even though I said default device system. I don't have to go ahead and choose it directly. I just have to go and do the default device itself. But what I'd recommend is go ahead and do the real audio for your device. So another thing you could look at is on the party voice channels and team chat voice channels is go ahead and off them for about 2 minutes. What worked for me was once it off, I actually go ahead and click on exit to desktop right over here. Once Valorant is closed, go to your right client on the upper right corner, click on your profile, settings, scroll down, and click on repair game files. It might be corrupted the files for your audio or it might be missing. Just go ahead and click on it as so and start repair. As you can see, it is attempting to repair, but once done, wait for it to finish. Once done, go ahead and relaunch your game and it should say updating or getting ready, as you can see. But basically, that is all for today's video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you find this video helpful, thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a like. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.